So friends, I'm going to install this muffler to the exhaust of my car. So let's go out and check. Let's go out, let's go out, let's go out. Let's unbox this. Just give me a minute. Let me put this camera on the stand. I have purchased this from DIY. Packing is good. You can see the price of this muffler. Let's take this out. Okay. So this is the muffler. This is the whole look. Looks beautiful. These are some clamps and bolts. So this is the menu how we can install this muffler in our car. So if we have this type of exhaust, we cannot install, not in this, not in this. On the straight exhaust, this will work. So this section will hold the exhaust of the car. So this will go into this, and from here we can tighten it. So I'm gonna do the same for the other side as well. So let's go out and install this. That's my car. I was working alone on this, but then my friend came and then we worked on the installation together, and we helped each other, and we used two types of wrench here. One is socket wrench and the other is the normal wrench. And if you do not have any socket wrench with you, you can use only the normal wrench. That will work perfectly. Working in a team was fun, and whenever you work in a team with your friends, it will be always amazing. You will be more productive, or you can do 1,000 times better than alone. And here you can see how this muffler looks on my car. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great time with your family and your friends. Take care.